Hey there! Welcome! This video will walk you through the process of verifying external DID numbers so that you can use them as caller IDs for outgoing calls. By external numbers, we mean DIDs bought from providers other than CommPeak. You'll need to log into your account at my.compeak.com and perform a few simple steps. First, click VoIP Services in the main menu and go to the Allowed Caller IDs tab. From there, click on the plus sign. In the window that pops up, start typing a country name to locate the country code in the list, and then enter your DID number. Optionally, you can click Advanced to select a caller ID for the incoming call. Then click Make the Call. The system will send a call to the number being verified. Answer it, and you will hear the verification code.
Your verification code is 8913.
Enter the code and click Finish Verification. If you didn't receive any call, click I didn't receive a call. Make sure that the number is configured to receive incoming calls. Then, start the verification process all over again. The verified caller ID will then be displayed in the table. If you use multiple DID numbers, you can easily check if any number is verified by using the filter. Thanks for watching and good luck!